Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, so the next module we'll look at the furnitures and the fixtures, which is actually very easy because it's just basically you download or use the Revit one and you place inside. Um, but we completely forgot about the staircase and the railing, so we are going to do that first before we do the uh, fixtures and furnitures. Okay, so for the staircase, for Revit, it's actually automated. We go to architecture, we click on a staircase, and then base level should be ground, top level should be level 1. That's it. And then the thing we need to understand that we are going to start from this left side of the wall, so we will click on the run exterior support left, and we click here, and we go all the way up to here. Okay, and then we want to make this staircase a little bit smaller. Okay, um, and then once done, then you click on this one, and there goes the staircase. Okay, so what I want to do now, just to want to move until here, so there's place to go up from there. Okay, if we look at the 3D wireframe mode, so we can see the staircase is already there, and then it has a small landing, very small landing. So what we don't need is this one on this side, and then this one, let's change it to 900 millimeter pipe. Okay, so after that our staircase is ready with the railing. We just want to add on the railing on this side and this side. So I just noticed that this one boundary MV, put it back here. Okay, now for the railing, we go to level 1 architecture, we click on railing. We want the 900 millimeter pipe. It's very simple. We click from here, go until this point, and then click OK. So you will see the railing in 3D here. Okay, now for the other railing, what we need is that it will go from here and then it will turn and continue throughout the bridge. So we will click on the staircase railing, we click on edit path, and we want to add here until the middle, and then connect here. Okay, let's try, and then 3D is already done. Beautiful. Okay, so the staircase and the railing is done, and if we want to have a nice look, what we can do here is we can go to view, we can click on section, and then we can take a section from here until here. Okay, change the direction, and we don't need this, so delete. Okay, now for the section, if we right click and click on go to view, we will see the section nicely. Okay, what we need to do is pull down a little bit so we can see the entire section with the staircases. Okay, and if we go to the ground, we don't want all these big bubbles. We can click here, call out head, okay, we will settle it later on. For now, just keep it like that. And and then let's put our furnitures and fixtures. We will start with what we already have inside Revit. For example, if we go to architecture component and then you click here, you will see that okay, we can put the WC. So we put the WC along this one. We click here and then we press a space for the right orientation. So this one is done on the ground floor. Now we want a shower tray and a sink. For these two, we actually don't have inside Revit. So we click on component, load family, and then first we take the wash basin. So for the porcelain sink, open, and we are going to put it here. Okay, select, rotate, select the middle point, and then we want to, okay, now the rotation is fixed. Next, the other one, we want load family, and then the shower tray. Oh, okay, this one the orientation is correct already. You can see our Windows orientations are not correct. Okay, fixed it, alhamdulillah. So next one, we put a dining table here, same component, load family, and the table, not this table, dining table, open. We'll put it somewhere here. Okay, and then we are going to put a bookshelf here, architecture component, and then load family, shelf, bookshelf. We are going to put it here, and lastly we are going to put two big cabinets. Cabinet, open. We are going to put them here and here. Now what we need to check, we go to 3D view and we go to you can see our cabinet orientation is wrong. So we can select the cabinet and change the orientation from here, and we can see now the orientation is now correct. Okay, so that's for the staircase and the fixtures and the furnitures. Okay, so once settled, don't forget to check the for screenshots, take the screenshot for the assignments, and we will move to the module number 7 after this.